This video is on 6DP 1.1, 6DP 1.1. And we're going to look at problem number 1. So it says, which is not a statistical question, not statistical question that you could ask to gather data on students' transportation to school. So remember, a statistical question, statistical, means that you can collect data. So it has two things. You can collect data and you have several answers. Several answers. So let's look at the first one. What time do you get on the bus? Okay, so for letter A, students could say, I get on the bus at 8 a.m. Students could say, I get on the bus at 7:45 a.m. Or they get on the bus at 8:05 a.m. So this one has collect data and it has several answers. So this one is a statistical question. Let's look at how many students ride the bus. So B, you could say there were 10 students on the bus, or there were 15 students on the bus, or there were 7 students on the bus, or there were just 5 students on the bus. So you could see you have collect data and several answers. So this one is a statistical question. Let's look at C. How many miles is it from your house to school? How many miles from your house to school? So you could be 3 miles. You could be 5 miles. You could be 1.5 miles. So this one has collect data and several answers. So this is a statistical question. So that leaves us with, what is the color of the bus you ride? That one is only yellow. Okay, so because it has one answer, not several answers, this one is not a statistical question. Now let's go to DP 1.4. DP 1.4, and we're going to answer problem number 1. Okay, so 1 says Rafael surveyed his co-workers to find out how many hours they spend exercising each week. So this is about exercise in hours. The results are shown in the histogram below. Select all the true statements. So we have 5 co-workers spent between 0 and 5 hours, and we have 0 co-workers spent between 11 and 15 hours. So if we look at the data, let's look at letter A. The data are symmetric. Well, we're going to draw our curve, and our curve is skewed. Skewed, not symmetric. In order for it to be symmetric, it would have to be like this. But this one has a tail. A tail. So this one is not symmetric. Not the answer. The data has a gap in the interval of 11 and 15 hours. A gap. A gap is a space. And this one, between 11 and 15 hours, there is a gap. This is a gap. So this one is correct. B is correct. C, Only one coworker exercised more than 20 hours. Only one exercised more than 20 hours. So that would be between 21 and 25 hours. And here it says one coworker. One coworker. Okay, so this one is correct as well. The data are skewed. That's what we said before. Skewed because there's a tail. So this one is correct as well. Most of the coworkers exercise between 0 and 5. The most. For it to be the most, here we have 5, but we have another one who has 6. So it cannot be the most. So this one is not correct. The data are clustered between 0 and 10. So there's a cluster of data points in between 0 and 10, and that is correct.